So, wait, the camera is hungry. Tastes good. Gordon Ramsay.
Hot pot, hot pot, hot pot, hot pot, hot.
Today we're gonna do easy seafood shabu-shabu. So now we're gonna start cooking. Ingredients are 6 cups of water, garlic, ginger, hot pot soup base, sesame oil, spring onions, pechay, baby corns, white shimeji mushrooms, pork meat, liempo cut bite size. And the seafood ingredients are shrimps, clams, squid chopped into rings, crabs, and crab sticks. Let's get started. Wash all produce and seafood ingredients. Chop pechay. Chop spring onions into small pieces. Chop ginger into thin slices. Slice baby corns to half. Cut the white shimeji mushrooms. Boil 6 cups of water. Add mashed garlic and ginger. Add hot pot soup base. Mix it. Add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add spring onions. Add pechay. Mix it. Add baby corn. Add mushrooms. Mix it. Add pork meat. Mix it. Add clams. Add squid. Mix it. Add crabs. Mix it. Add shrimp. Mix it. I'm removing the shrimp so that it won't overcook. Wait until the crab is fully cooked. Now that the crab is cooked, we can add the shrimp back. Add crab meat. Mix it. Now it's ready to serve. You can add fish sauce, but it's optional. Depends if you want your soup to be more salty. Chili spice is great, but it's also optional. Since my brothers are going to taste it, it's better to make it normal. Enjoy!
It's not hot.
No, because it's stayed down. Easy. It's not hot anymore.
Yummy.
You like? Just eat. Don't! The vegetable.
Sarap na. Tasty.
Number time.
Very good boy.
Boy